Hey everyone, Josh Galvin with Tizish.com. On this video, I want to explain to you in full detail what the Tizish training program is all about that you automatically become a part of when you join the Tizish system. Alright, so basically, here's what it's all about. We have a page in the link for our training program where I explain all the text. I give you a whole big description of everything that I'm summing up in this quick few-minute video. But basically, our training program is all about the following. It's about two things. Number one, teaching you the basic how-tos of using your WordPress blog. Alright, so I'm going to go to one of our pages. It's a 14-step marketing plan. And the first and main focus is the basic how-tos. And here's what I mean by that. When you first get started with your website system, you need to know how does it operate, how does it work. I don't even call that training realistically. That's just basic learning how to drive, learning how to walk, learning how to crawl. That's just the basic stuff. And we cover that in all avenues, meaning every single aspect of WordPress and using a WordPress blog, you're going to know how to do. How to put images, how to post content, how to put video, how to use widgets. I mean, any question you have about WordPress, we have a video for. Alright, and the way our training program works is through a video tutorial, and I'll go over how the actual webinars and all that stuff play out shortly, but in a nutshell, it's all done through videos, which means you have step-by-step direction where you're watching a screen of me showing on a tutorial what to do for any given topic. Alright, so the first step of our training program is to teach you the basic how-tos. Now the second step, which is really the good part of the training program, which is what makes our training program separate from other people's, is the marketing how-tos. And now this is what separates our clients and gets our clients to the top of Google and everything. Because here's the current problem with the real estate industry, and as you can see, and I recommend you highly read the page on our training program, but here's the current problem with the real estate industry when it comes to online marketing and training. The real estate industry has a big problem of chasing the shiny penny, when in reality what we gotta do is stop chasing new tools and everything and just stop trying to learn something new all the time and just study what we already know we need to do. And what is it that we all know we need to do? It's simply the following: master search engine optimization, master social media marketing, and master, most importantly, how to create great content. But here's the overall umbrella that really determines what makes one agent fail and one agent succeed. How do you manage all this stuff? How do you manage your time? That is really the monkey wrench into what's going to determine your success or failure. And what we do with our marketing training program, the step 2 of our training program, which is the 14-point marketing plan, as I'm showing you here, as I'm showing you a little example of here, what we do is we teach you everything you need to know to get to the top of Google and to create a social media presence. And I'm going to show you some examples here. Here's a Tizish member here using our marketing plan for the keyword massively competitive Beverly Hills real estate, Beverly Hills homes. Here's the Tizish member here, and then keep going down the list. Hayward Homes, we see the Tizish member here, and here's the best part: all of these Tizish members got to the first page all on their own marketing efforts, meaning they put in all the input themselves and they get the results themselves. They didn't pay us any extra money for consulting. They didn't pay us any extra money to do any SEO for them. They did it all themselves. And here's one more just to show you, just to keep it a little consistent. So here's one more right there. So basically, here's the whole point. Following our marketing training program, our step-by-step marketing how-tos, I jokingly call it my don't think, just do marketing plan, will get you the following results. It'll get you to the top pages of Google, it'll get you social media following, and it'll get you understanding how to create great content. Now let me take a step back, because those are some pretty bold statements. Now this all assumes one simple thing: that you are consistent and you actually follow the program perfectly. And when I say perfectly, all I simply mean is consistently. So as you see here, this is a members only page. You don't really have access to this page, but as you see here, I break everything down. Step 1, step 2, we go over everything, every lesson plan, and everything from covering SEO to social media to everything you could think of. So just to show you one example of what one of these pages look like, here's the actual step 2 of SEO setup. Now we break this down, section 1, where you pretty much follow every tutorial, just follow it step by step, and then you will have the results. However, here's the big thing that happens for most agents, why they don't succeed even with a marketing plan: simply because they cannot manage time. So the biggest and most important part of the Tizish training program is we teach you how to update your blog, how to update content, how to be consistent with blogging without having to take up so much time of your day. And this is actually covered in in the section you'll see here on the training program, set up section number 4 and section number 5 about implementing a daily marketing plan. We actually give you a daily marketing plan, and we show you how to use Google Alerts, how to use Postgres, how to use your blogging tools for your market data, your mortgage tools. All these tools that you come into your system, we teach you how to do all these, and basically spend 1 hour, 1 hour 15 minutes every day, and that's pretty much going to be able to help you create many blog postings. And by doing that consistently, that's the key word, consistently, and committing to it, that's going to get you to the top of Google, because that's what happened with those clients I gave you as an example right now, and that's what's happening to many people right now in our training program following the system. All right, so in a nutshell, what is the Tizish training program all about? Number one, we're all about showing you how to learn WordPress, meaning you want to know how to use WordPress, we teach you everything you need to know for that. And then number two, it's the marketing how-tos, how to get to the top of Google, how to create great content, how to get a following. And then number three, realistically, which is like, it's not really a step, but just the overall feeling and concept of the training program, is we teach you how to do this with managing your time and your overhead. Because realistically, you could have the best website in the world, you could have the best coaching, best training, the best consultant telling you what to do, but if you don't have an infrastructure that lets you consistently execute the marketing plan, then you're going to for sure fail. So that's the key, most important thing we do, is we teach you how to manage your time, manage your overhead, and don't get caught into the black hole of online marketing while giving you the step-by-step direction to get to the top of Google. And we have many, many good clients that get that results and everything. So pretty much that's what the Tizish training program is all about. You can join the training program if you have a separate system, but it's just completely maximized when you join it with the Tizish WordPress blog because of all the extra benefits and tools. So check out the rest of the videos where I talk about what our Tizish blog system is about, the pricing, how our design works, how all of the features we build into it work, and then of course how our support works, because that's really the key thing. So check all that out, and set an appointment, and let's have a consultation call and see if you're a fit for our system. All right, well, good luck and take care.